Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Marisa Burinaga Bunto. I am 38 years old. I am married. I have one child. I have 3 brothers, 4 sisters. I am the youngest among 8 siblings. My father's a farmer. My mother is housewife. My first experience abroad is in Kuwait. I served 5 members of the family. 1 couple, 6 years old, 3 years old, and newborn baby. My duties are including cooking, cleaning, ironing, do laundry, car washing, and many more. And also take care the newborn baby. Please hire me, ma'am and sir, as your helper. I am trustworthy person, hardworking, fast learner. See you soon in Hong Kong, ma'am and sir. Have a good day.